How to fix Workday app not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Workday app not working on your device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open App Store on your device. Tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Search for the Workday app. If there is an update button next to the app, tap it to update to the latest version. Now, go to Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone Stories. Find Workday mobile app. Tap it and select Offload app. Confirm and then tap Reinstall once the option appears. If the issue persists, go to Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone Stories. Tap Delete app to uninstall. Reinstall the Workday mobile app from the App Store. This version highlights the key steps in a more concise and user-friendly manner. I hope this guide was helpful to fix Workday app not working on your device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.